In a 9 to 5 job, we always want to have or create our second source of income, and engaging in stock market trading as a second source of income while having full-time job is a common strategy for the individuals looking to diversify their income patterns. But without having basic technical knowledge, we cannot attract huge profits in the stock markets. Also, our overall experience in the stock market will be a disaster in the long term. In this video, we will explore some of the best technical courses available that are specifically designed for the beginners. These courses provide from chart patterns to the indicators and a comprehensive understanding of the market dynamics. By enrolling in one of these courses, you can enhance your skill, make informed decisions, and navigate with confidence. So why to wait for? Let's uncover the facts. Is an educational platform that offers various courses on investing and trading. The Technical Charts and Trendlines is a comprehensive video-based course divided into 9 chapters. The course covers introduction to technical analysis, candlestick patterns, chart patterns, features of trading view, support and resistance level, indicators, paper trading demo, and a bonus chapter on how to build a trading setup. Hence, by enrolling in this course, you will master the basic technical tools needed to start your trading journey. Also, it provides an in-depth analysis of technicals with examples of charts in a simplified manner, making it suitable for the beginner to intermediate level learners. With over plus 1145 enrollments and a 4.7 plus rating, this technical analysis course is a popular course among learners. Diversify offers various courses on financial products related to the stock market to help users be educated. Apart from the list of modules available on Zerodha, the technical analysis module gives an in-depth explanations of the basics of the technicalities required to gauge price movements. The technical analysis course is a text-based self-study course of 22 chapters. Important chapters to look into are chart types, candlestick patterns, support and resistance, volumes, indicators, Dow theory, and a chapter helping you to get started. The chapters provide key information on technical with examples of charts for a better understanding, and also how to approach security with technical for trading opportunities. On course completion, learners can be capable enough to build a strategy to predict the price of a security to enter a trade. BSc Varsity is an education platform subsidized by BSc India that offers various courses related to finance and the stock market. The course suits beginner to advanced level learners and covers topics on types of charts, candlestick patterns, leading and lagging indicators, risk management, trade setups, strategy, psychology, and trading plans. It explains each topic with a real example of charts for better understanding and way to approach security technically. Also, the course outcomes can be applied to all market segments like commodities, derivatives, and currency markets. Udemy is a learning platform that provides various courses related to stock market investing and trading. Technical Analysis Masterclass course offered by Udemy is a 7.5-hour on-demand video covered in 13 different sections. It's a beginner to intermediate level course that covers topics on introduction to technicals, trend analysis, lagging indicators, leading indicators, chart patterns, and risk management. On completion the course, you will be able to understand the technical approach towards the security charts to find opportunities for entry and exit. Also, you will be able to analyze the market and build strategies for profitable trading. Learners can apply the skills gained from this course to all the market segments, making it a versatile course for traders of all levels. platform offers various courses related to trading and investing to upscale market participants with good skills and knowledge before taking big risks. StockDaddy offers a comprehensive video-based technical analysis course divided into 13 chapters, providing learners with a deep understanding of technical analysis. It covers topics of chart analysis, support and resistance, candlestick patterns, trade line strategy, chart patterns, intraday trading techniques, and indicators. Learners on completion gain knowledge of technical tools to analyze security for spotting buy and sell signals generated. Also, technical analysts understand the usage of a particular tool in line with the existing market condition. In this video, we explore some of the best technical courses available on the internet for the Indian markets. Therefore, trading with a good knowledge and understanding of the basic concepts is a must-have for the beginners to start. So what are you waiting for? Don't delay. Enroll for the course, start your journey, have some experience, make huge profits, and you can share your experience in the comment box. Finally, I request you to subscribe my channel, like and share this video, and we'll meet in the next one. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.